Hello, welcome to my Easy Statistics. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. If you need data for your research, I will provide customized data as per your research requirements. Contact me through email or WhatsApp.
How to calculate the sample size for studies with one proportion. One proportion refers to a situation where we are interested in estimating or testing the proportion of a single group or population that exhibits a particular characteristics. For example, a medical researcher wants to study the proportion of patients who experience side effects after taking a new vaccine for a viral infection. Based on previous studies, it is estimated that 40% of the patient experience side effects. So in this case, one proportion refers to the proportion of diabetic patient who experience the side effects after using new medicine. The formula for one proportion side effects is n is equal to z square into p into 1 minus p divided by e square, where z is a z value for a given confidence level and p is a estimated proportion, e is the margin of error. Now in this case, the estimated proportion is 40%, means they have predicted from the previous study or expert opinion suggests that around 40% of the patient might experience the side effect. So p value is equal to 0.40. Coming to confidence level, the hospital want to have 95% confidence that the sample proportion is accurate. So confidence level is 95. So we must take 1.96 as a z score. If it is 90%, 1.645. If it is 99%, 2.576. So in this case, since we have assumed of 95% confidence level, so we are taking z score as 1.96. Margin of error. The hospital is willing to accept plus or minus 5% error in estimating the proportion. So plus or minus 5% comes to 0.05 as the margin of error. Now if we substitute these values into the formula, that is p is equal to 0.40, confidence level 95%, z score is equal to 1.96, margin of error 0.05, we will get n is equal to 368.7936, which is approximately 369. So we can conclude that the researcher need a sample size of approximately 369 patients to estimate the proportion of patients experiencing side effects from the new vaccine, assuming 95% confidence level, 5% margin of error, proportion of 40%